Hello and welcome to CMT Stuttgart. It's an annual event. C stands for, I think, caravans, M motors, and T touristic. And so I come here every year in January to film some motorhomes. This is hall 1. You can see here we've got the Trigano group, which is over here with these vehicles. For example, Panama, the Karmann Mobil. We've got the top of their range EuraMobil over there, and the second top is Mobilvetta design, which is down there. What we'll do, I think, is have a look at some Karmann Mobil vehicles and some small Karmann Mobile, such as Duncan 465. It is the VW camper of Karmann Mobil, only it's not on a VW. It costs €55,500. It's under 5 meters in length, and so the advantage of the Ford Transit, I think, is that well, first of all, the biggest advantage is the price and the fact that it's availability, although availability is now not so much of a problem as it once was. At the back over here we've got your kitchen, as you'd expect. You've got storage under the kitchen, including a space for one of these porta potties or Trigano toilets or something like that. Fridge here. Ooh. And there's a small ladder to get up into the tent in the roof, storage at the back, and let's have a look at the back as well. The so right, okay, so it's sort of typical sort of VW camper on a Ford. Right, here's another one, and this thing here is going to cost 78,000. Wow, what's happened to what's special about this is going to cost that much money? Well, you've got a chair facing the wrong way. You've got a chair with no room there. The rest of it looks the same as what we just saw. It's got a tent in the roof. There's the price list, so just in case you don't believe me. And what's it got in the back? And well, it's got a. I didn't see one of them in the other one, so maybe that's what it is. This is what you sleep on. This is the bed. Right, let's have a look what else we've got. Let's see if we've got some proper vans, you know. Oh, there's some more of these Duncans over here. And all right, so this one here, this Duncan's going to cost 55,000, and this one is a much more sensible option, because you make a bed here. It's got a tent in the roof, so you're going to sleep 4 people. But what this has got, I'll take you around the back, and it's here. There you go. That makes things much easier. It's got a toilet, and it's got a shower. You can use a shower in this vehicle. Now that makes it a proper camper as far as I'm concerned, and also as far as many authorities and campsite owners are also concerned. So it's difficult, I think, a bit difficult to use the toilet when with the roof down, but then again, not entirely impossible. You can also remove the cassette, comes out there. I'll even show you the size of the cassette if I can get the thing out. I can't. No, I can't, because the thing's probably open in there. But anyway, it's a proper cassette, so it should last you some time. Now, the idea of being self-contained in Australia and New Zealand, they've got a system where they allow self-contained vehicles to actually park, but not non-self-contained. Self-contained meaning the toilets. And there are campsite owners who don't like the for example, tent owners, that instead of using the proper toilets at night, they might just nip out and urinate anywhere. And this, I think, is part of the problem of not having a self-contained unit. Of course, you can get things like the Trigano system and others, porta potty for your vehicle as well. Right, so we've got another one here. This Duncan, this is called the Duncan 50. the Duncan, 77,000. That was a little joke about a donut company. So you see what you got. 5 seats here. Let's go around the back, see if there's anything clever at the back end of it, because this is where the action really should be taking place. I can open it. Why can't I open it? I can't open it. We're going to have to walk through the main entrance in this case. And you see, once more, we have got the toilet is down there. We've got the side kitchen. It's a bit of a squash. It's coming, but it's not too bad. Obviously, I'm standing up now, because the tent is real. The tent opens up this way, because this is where you're more likely to be standing. That's always the case with a tent in the roof. It opens up in the direction where people might actually need it. It gives you a view of the toilet. You notice also there's a duckboard down here. This comes across like that. It's got a sensible sliding door. So, for a self-contained unit, it's not too bad. We've got a little fridge down here, and quite a lot of space here. And this is really hot. Ooh, that's very hot. Now, you possibly wouldn't want all this chair in here, but I mean this one here, that's a good place to actually sleep in. So there, you've got something with the functionality of a car with a washroom and toilet. So this one here makes a lot of sense. So this is what I would suggest people got in the space, and at a price of 58,000, it's not too much. About, when was it? 2018, I think it was. Karmann Mobil brought out a vehicle. It was a really small one, which I thought was really good. Well, there was 2 sizes, 495 and 535. I think it was on the Opel, and I've forgotten the name of it now. But at the time, the larger one, which had the toilet in the back, I thought was a really good idea. The problem was they only ever made 2 of them, one of each sort, and the reason was, I learnt later, even though I showed it at a lot of events, I have a couple of films of it, of both, they had some kind of problems with the toolings of production, so it never actually came out. Now, okay, here we have the one I'm suggesting, 545, Duncan 545 with the toilet at the back, or the 550 over here. But this one here it's got Heilbronn, where I'm living at the moment. And that's the outer decal. So it's got a number of cities in Germany which have been put onto them. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you found that interesting, and all the best from me in Stuttgart, Germany.